Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday, November 6th. This is a pre-recorded video. As I had told you before, I'm in California. I have my oncology appointment, so I had to pre-record this video. But I did give you a sneak peek of our project, which was the mini charcuterie board. And it is so cute. I just love it, and hopefully you do too. A reminder of last week's prize winners are Melanie Foy and Judy Martinez for sharing my video. So I'll get your prizes out to you. And I think that is it. No specials going on, nothing really to advertise, but let's go ahead and get started. Thank you. Okay, so just a few reminders to share my video. This week I have two prizes. One's a packet DSP with some retired gems, but they are Christmas. And then I have a package of note cards, handmade note cards, and some in color dots. So be sure and share my video. When you share my video, comment that you shared my video and you will be entered into a prize drawing to win either of these. There's going to be two prizes this week. And if you want my tutorial, sign up for my email list, and I send them out every Friday. That way you can work on your projects over the weekend. All right, so this is our project. I gave you guys a sneak peek last week. These are mini charcuterie boards that I found at Hobby Lobby, and they were only $2.49. But let me show you. Grab one of the other ones because we're doing the square one, but there are some round ones as well. So before I forget, because I always tell you, oh, let me show you what I did, and then I forget. So what I did is I personalized them for my husband and myself and our children. And so these are some of the square ones. And these are all going to be set at our Thanksgiving table. And I am going to actually fix them up, you know, with salami, cheese, fruit, and that'll be our appetizer, but then they all get to take them home with them. So these are our children, our son-in-laws. I say we don't have no daughter-in-laws. They're all son-in-laws. So this is, I made them for all of us. And like I said, these are going to go on our place settings, and they're so easy to make. So watch. Okay. Watch how I make them. And just the other day when I went to Hobby Lobby, they were sold out of these square ones online. But then I found some of the round ones at another Hobby Lobby. And then I went to the one back by me and I found more square ones. So just keep an eye out for, and actually now they were 50% off. So they were only $1.24. And isn't this so cute for your Thanksgiving guests to take home? Such a sweet idea. When I seen them, I seen them a while back, and I was like, ugh, I got to make a project with those. So we're going to remove this leather strap tag, whatever you want to call it, and you can give it to your guests. I took mine aside, and then that way they can put it back on if they want to hang it somewhere later. But we're going to take that off because we're going to add our own bow. And we are going to be using the Autumn Leaves bundle. It's not sold as a bundle right now. It's the stamp set and the dies. I already have the stuff pulled out that I'm going to use. And the autumn, I just love autumn, Thanksgiving time of year. So we are going to use this. This is very vanilla ribbon, and this is nice thick ribbon. So you can make your bow as big as you want. I'm tying mine upside down because for whatever reason, when I tie my bows upside down, they come out the right way. What I mean by that is that my little arms, legs, whatever you want to call them, go the right direction. So I'm going to try and make this bow a little bit big. We want it to be big because our leaves are going to sit on top of it. And so like I said, you can personalize yours. What I did to personalize is I just printed or wrote up the names on a Word document, just like I did with my football box where I put the logos. And then I die cut them with the stylish shape banner die. So if you want to personalize, so that's done. Now we got to get into all of our leaves that we're going to make. So this is, like I said, so easy because you can just, you can make all of these at once. So I already have all my pieces of paper cut for the leaves. And we're going to, this is a 3x3 wild wheat. These ones are for the maple leaves, and they're 1.5 by 1.5, but they're all in the instructions. And then these ones are for what I call the medium leaf, which is, these are what I call the medium leaf. These are the maple leaves. And this is the large leaf. So that's what I call them in my instructions. And then this piece is 2.5 by 2.5, very vanilla, and we're going to use the stylish shape circle, which is the third to the largest. So let me get my die cutting machine. And like I said, you could cut all these leaves out, and then just what I did to make all of mine, I just cut all the leaves out, and then I assembled everything. So this is wild wheat. We're using these two in Real Red and Cajun Craze. And you can mix up your colors. Look, these are all scraps. Use scraps. So I only have 2 of these leaves. So we're going to have to run the other one through. And this video had to be pre-recorded because I am leaving to California. And I wanted to have this project done. So let's pull out all these. Oops, whoa, that one went rolling around. So I will be going for my oncology appointment, my 6-month checkup. So I got to make sure I stay on top of those appointments. And in case you didn't know, I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2020. So any of you ladies who have not had a mammogram, please go get your mammogram. It could save your life. Mine did. All right, so now we're going to do the garden green one. And that will be it on the die cutting. Like I said, these are so easy to put together, and you know what? Your guests are going to love them. I mean, charcuterie, I hope I'm saying it the right way. I'm pretty sure I am. Charcuterie boards are like the in thing right now. There's so many different ways. We're going to stamp this one. So many different ways you can put them together. Cute ideas. They have candy ones now with all candies. They have snack ones with all snacks. So they're just not like meats, cheeses, vegetables. But that's what I'm going to put on mine for Thanksgiving. Okay, so this one, we're going to stamp it with the veins. And we're going to stamp it in wild wheat. And this part here is going to hang off, so it's not going to fit all the way on your leaf. And without sticking my head in the camera, I hope that's good. Just like so. So now here comes the easy part. So what I did is, oops, I stuck my head in there. I glued, let me get my liquid glue. Sorry if you've seen my fuzzball here. So I just added some glue here, and I think I did this the same way on another project. If you guys want another idea, check out my blog dated November 1st, and you'll find another treat holder. Okay, let me get my other glue. Treat holder that I made, and I'm going to put on my Thanksgiving table as well. Okay, so we're just going to glue this real red one on, and then we're going to, let's do the crushed curry. Just lay them on top, and we're going to put garden green over here and lay that across like so. There's kind of really no right or wrong. And then we're going to put some glue on this one and stick it back behind here. I always mess this one up. I want you to see that there's that leaf. And then we're going to put the pumpkin pie one behind it. So our stack is going to look like so. I probably put too much glue. This glue's coming out too much. The other one didn't come out at all. So then next, we are going to use some dimensionals. And I am using up my black still. I bought a bunch of black ones by accident. So it's going to be hidden. You won't see it. We're just going to stick this right on top like that. Bring our board back in. Put our bow. I'm trying to see if I have any white ones. I kind of don't want to use a black on this, but you know what? Let's use a couple of minis. Use a couple of minis. You're just going to put the dimensional right on the bow, because later on, your guests, they can untie the bow and remove it and hang it or keep it, whatever they want to do. So it's going to go right like so. Easy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to stamp the sentiment. And this is just a scrap piece of Very Vanilla. It's 1 inch by 2 3/4. And we're going to use Cajun Craze. I already had one stamp, but we will stamp this one with a grateful heart. Let your guests know that you're grateful for them. And like I said, I made ours for us and our children and in-laws. Clean these right away so that I don't forget. This one actually. You think I need a new chamois yet? These things last so long. They look a mess, but they're really not. Okay, so what we're going to do is I don't want to die cut it. I want it to just cut around the words like I normally do. It doesn't bother me. You just turn your paper as you cut. And I think it just gives it a nice little, you could do some little weaves in and out like you're going around the letters. I think it just gives it a cute little different look when you cut out the words. Let's turn the paper, and then since this is straight, we're going to cut this straight. We'll go down and then curve around the G. Let me see if I can find my other project that I did for the blog on November 1st. That way you can get another idea of a place setting. Okay, I'm adding mini dimensionals on the back. And I don't know why these are coming up The weather has gotten so cold so quick here. My skin is super dry. I'm sorry, you could probably see how dry my hands are. And I moisturize. I even have so much static in my hair. And we haven't even ran the heater yet. So this is just going to lay right across like so. And that's it. That is our little mini charcuterie board. And here's the other one. You could tell I did my leaves different colors. It's whatever scraps you had. My instructions will be for this one. You can just see I did this in Cajun Craze, and this one was in Cajun Craze. So they're a little bit different, just like all the ones that I made for my family. They're all different. So if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. I hope you enjoy it. Such a cute little gift, right? Cute, cute, cute. All right, you guys all have a good day, and see me back here 6 p.m. November 13th. Take care, everybody. Bye.